Hi everyone, I'm Ekta Sharma and I hope you all are doing well. So, today I'm here to talk about a topic called gratitude and how important it is in our life. So, I believe that it serves a great importance in everybody's life, whether we realize it or not. And we often forget to take a moment to be thankful for whatever we have in our life, and we seldom pay heed to it. Some people think about other people that he's having more money, he's having a big house, he's happier than me. Especially in the case of teenagers, they often compare themselves to other person by saying that she's got a beautiful body, she's having a perfect social life, he has good friends, why don't I have all this? But what we fail to realize is they may have more problems we can't even think of. And the reality is, we can never ever fit in any other person's life, no matter how beautiful their life is. So I think why these kind of thoughts come into our mind, because we are surrounded by those people who are having the things that we don't have. Because imagine if you're having a group of friends, or you have the kind of people around you who too don't have the same things that you want to have. So I think in that situation, these kinds of thoughts won't be coming up into your mind, and you will be fine realizing the fact that there are others too who don't have some things. So even if you can't see, there are a lot of people exist on this planet who don't have the things that you have. So learn to value the things that you have. So we often get sad not because we are not having anything, but because anybody else is having the same thing. And we don't even realize when these kinds of negative thoughts surround us completely, because of which neither we can do good to others, nor we can think good for ourselves. And this is a circle in which we stuck, and we keep going down day by day, which leads to all the negative feelings and all the bad decisions we make. And we end up being unhappier, feeling unloved and unworthy. Now comes the part how to be grateful and why it is so important. Many of us may think that why should I be grateful? I mean, I don't have such things I can be grateful for. So let me tell you, you don't need really big things to be grateful for. You can be grateful even for the smallest things you have. Let's take an example that you are having a small house, and that too having a small room in it. So you should be grateful for that, even because there are a lot of people who don't even have that single roof over their head. So you can be grateful every day, every minute, every single moment of your life, even for the basic food you eat, for the water you drink, for the breath you take, that you are safe and that you are waking up alive every day. Moreover, you have your eyes, hands, feet. There are some people who don't even have their body parts. So just imagine how it feels being never able to see, never able to walk. So, if you can see and feel the wonderful things around you, how can you not be grateful? And once you start doing this, you will rise above all the negative feelings, and you will be able to do good to others as well as to yourself. Also, you will be more confident that I've got a good life and there are so many things in my life that makes me perfect. And your weaknesses will no longer be weaknesses for you, and instead of blaming God for having that weakness, you yourself will work to make your that part perfect, and you'll find yourself happier, thankful and satisfied than before with whatever you have, who you are, the way you are. So, at last, I just want to say that if you learn to be grateful every single moment of your life will become much more beautiful. सो प्लीज़ कभी भी अपनी लाइफ को किसी और की लाइफ के साथ कंपेयर मत कीजिए, क्योंकि आप जो भी हो और जो भी आपको मिला है वो आपके लिए बेस्ट है। और अगर उस भगवान ने कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ी है आपको बनाते वक्त, तो आप कौन होते हो खुद में कमियां ढूंढने वाले? Thank you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if you like it, please like, comment and subscribe, and take care of yourself. Be happy. Bye bye.